Okay, let's go, boys.
Boys, ready?
Yeah, let's go, pirate ship.
Bobby, hurry up.
Bro, moment.
Uh-oh.
Bro.
Hey, hands on the bars. Hands on the bars.
boys.
Yeah. Hands up now.
Bro, my head doesn't stop. I will cry.
Bobby, you'll be okay. Bobby, you're good. Hands up, boys. Let's go. Yeah, you said.
Yeah.
Yeet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scared, bro?
Oh, dear Lord.
My chest hurts now.
Feel my stomach.
Bobby, you okay?
Yeah.
You're okay, buddy. Hands up!
My chest.
Stomach moving.
Yo!
This is the best.
Hands up!
Oh my God. My chest.
You guys alright?
Oh, good.
I always get that feeling.
My chest hurts. Alright, so
Yeah, let's not extend that song. I love this ride, yo.
That is definitely a bro moment.
Good, you're going higher.
Oh my God, someone's unconscious! Look! Oh my God, someone's unconscious! Oh my God, someone's unconscious!
You're okay, buddy. You're okay.
No, I'm looking for the passed out!
Slow it down, slow it down. John, you're gonna pass out?
Nah, I think I saw a person passed out.
This kid, this kid, okay?
I don't know.
That kid okay?
I have no idea. Yo!
No, I think that kid's knocked
You
out.
okay, buddy?
Yo, you good?
You good? You good, buddy?
I think he's good.
Are you okay?
You good?
Okay. No, I saw you scared me, man. I know you're not my kid, but you scared me.
He looked like he knocked out.
Yeah, no, that's what I thought.
Yo, I would be just like,